Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on text-to-speech on your Reels video. So if you added some text and instead of you speaking, you want someone else to speak for you, then let me show you how to do this. So here we've got Instagram open. We'll tap on the plus sign to post a reel. Go ahead and select a video, tap next, next, and then we'll tap on edit video to enter in the timeline mode. Here we'll go ahead and tap on text and we'll go ahead and type in text-to-speech. Now tap done again. Now to make this text to speech, we can go ahead and select that text. And at the bottom, you have this option, text to speech. Go ahead and select that. Now here we have a wide range of options available. So we can have someone named Alex, Billy, someone named Chipmunk, a demon, a Martian, megaphone, or a monster, or a prospector, on radio, robot, vampire, whisper. So you have all these options to select from. Tap on any of them and it'll basically start to speak text to speech. Once you're happy, tap done. And now when you play the video, your video will have the text to speech feature on it. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on text to speech feature on your Reels video on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.